Alrighty, what is going on, guys? Dylan Murray here. Welcome back to NASCAR Thunder 2003 for race 34 of 36. Today we're going to be at North Carolina Speedway for the Pop Secret Microwave Popcorn 400. We currently have a 416-point lead over Dale Jarrett, who at this point, I think I kind of have this championship unlocked based on how consistent I've been. I mean, if we look at our stats, obviously one pole, the 8 wins, but Rockingham didn't save for some reason. 22 top 5s, 26 top 10s. And average start is kind of shitty. We got a 7.8 average finish. So there's that. And if you compare it to Dale Jarrett, he has 3 wins and 2 poles, and his average finish is better than mine. So there's that too. So we're going to be running the regular Rubbermaid scheme until Phoenix, till Homestead, where we run the Little Tykes Ford. By the way, this episode has been brought to you by Body Armor. It's damn good. Rockingham track facts. The track record was set in February of 2000 by Rusty Wallace. There are 22 to 25 degrees in the corners, 8 degrees on the front and back stretch, and there is obviously the seating capacity just over 60,000, and the very first race was held in 1965. Our personal record was set last month by Jeff Gordon. I was just trying to get the hang of this game again. So, yeah. Let's go. If I do remember correctly, in that season I played as Gordon and I raced at the Rock. I did win the pole for both races, I think. I did win the pole, so there's that. We try to get a good run off turn number 4. We started pretty good in the first race and 22nd, apparently. So, yeah, we're definitely going to improve that. Hopefully try to net us a really good starting position. Down the back stretch for one last time. Into turn 3. And looks like coming to the line, we're going to get... We're going to... Oh, fuck, I have traffic. I hate passing people at this track. And Phoenix is going to be even worse because they suck at qualifying on that track.
From the North Carolina Speedway, otherwise known as the Rock side of today's NASCAR race, the Pop Secret 400, right here on MRN. What makes the Rock so tough, Barney?
Well, this track is deceiving the drivers who are new here. It's wide and fast in most places, but in the corners, they'll have to slow up more than they expect. Otherwise, the wall will sneak up and fight them on the exit, especially in turn 2.
How about the consistency shown by Kurt Busch?
Well, points. Wins are great when they come, but top 10 finishes week after week are what build your points. Heck, you can win the championship on top 10s alone if you're consistent.
Only one notable driver. Anyways, different paint schemes. Looks like Jeff Burton has his Bassmaster car, peel-out reel-in car. I'm sorry. I get the two confused, but either way, I still love those cars. Nonetheless, they're kick-ass paint schemes, in my opinion. So again, we look like we're going to be starting next to somebody at some point. One of the 3-point men looked like you start next to Jeff Gordon He's third in points unless I have a bad race and they go out and light the world on fire today. One of those two, either Gordon or Jarrett. I do believe I have this championship on lock because of how consistent I've been. Don't even know why I have to show this field BS.
Starting the race from row 5 will be a Dodge dealer's UAW Dodge and the 46
PS2, low res. PS2, low res. PS2, low res. A few of these cars look like they have low res poly models and then normal models and then low res and then normal and look like they get wrapped in fucking cellophane. So, like Frank Kibble's car, Dale Jarrett's car, Jeff Gordon's, Elliott Sadler's. So, yeah, 19 laps around the Rock, and Jimmy Spencer leads the field to the green flag. And he's going to be a huge roadblock on the outside. Looks like Jamie McMurray is going to lead the first lap. Today. I threw it in deep. Holy crap. Looks like from a few bumper shots in front of Robbie Gordon, it looked like Sterling Marlin is going to be running his 2001 paint scheme for a second. But obviously that's not the case. I'm going to go through wide with Dale Jr. and Casey Kane. A little bit of contact between those two. Three wide with Casey Kane. Oh, God. Sterling Marlin takes the lead. Robbie Gordon's trying to follow suit behind him. And move up to fourth. A little bit of contact with Jamie McMurray. Gonna try to pull right up to the bumper of Sterling Marlin. Go right there. And try to move under him. Oh God. We have taken the lead. You try to keep Marlin behind us. But it seems to me that I don't think... Oh, God. Sterling Marlin went off the track to make that pass, basically. So, good job there, buddy. And Sterling Marlin spins. I think it's just a single car incident. Caution flag is out. So we're going to be second, coming to the caution. Sterling Marlin spun. Didn't even hit anything. Oh! Okay. Didn't even hit anything and then gets absolutely murdered by Jeff Burton. He backs right up. It's absolutely destroyed. Yeah, I don't think anybody's going to pit. Yeah, nobody's going to pit, honestly. Try to get a run on Robbie Gordon, maybe get some points or some resemblance of leading. 5 bonus points, maybe lead some laps finally. Looks like a couple of cars coming down pit road being led by Jamie McMurray, it looked like, was leading that effort. Get 5 bonus points. I'm going to try to pit with Robbie Gordon whenever he pits, or maybe pit earlier. So I'm currently watching my mirror right now. Anyways, somebody hit the pit wall coming on pit road, from what I saw. Oh, Jeff Purvis, Robbie Gordon get together. This is a narrow pit road, so you're going to see a lot of contact on between cars. It looked like Steve Park basically drove right through me. So, come on, go, 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 go. There's Jeff Gordon getting his service done. Here's see how this will shake out. That is slide up in front of Terry Labonte. That was almost really bad. Like, really, I almost killed Terry Labonte, basically. Coming to the line. 9 to go. We are a lap down. Well, we were until we got our lap back. You see Dale Jarrett exited pit road. And there you see the debris from Sterling Marlin's earlier wreck. See his right rear is basically open. It's like an open wound on that car. Try to throw it in under Jamie Murray. Holy shit. So it looks like we might get a top 10 out of this. See, there is the leader in turn 3. Holy crap, Casey Kane. Please get out of the damn way. Up the track goes Casey Kane. And we had to move him out of the way. We got one more spot to get into the top 10. There's Sterling Marlin up in 9th. And I'm just waiting for Sterling Marlin to cause a debris caution right now. So I'm going to try to get by him as quickly as possible. His damage dodge. 3 wide with him and Michael Waltrip. That was kind of freaky. Robbie Gordon's trying to challenge for the lead here with Jimmy Johnson, it looks like. And there's a crash. And it looks like no debris off of Jeff Burton's car. Figured as much. So, there we go. And we're back green. Robbie Gordon currently leads. Jimmy Johnson trying to look to the... no. Up to 6th. Jimmy Johnson now takes the lead back from Robbie Gordon. This place is not too kind to rookies. Going to try to go for it. Rookies are young drivers. For some reason, Kyle Petty is the only logical veteran up in 3rd until we moved him out of the way. So this might be a battle between me, Jimmy Johnson, and Robbie Gordon. Gordon deep. Jimmy Johnson's right there. 2 to go. We've led 1 lap all race, and that was on a restart before Robbie Gordon. Me and Robbie Gordon went down pit road. I've got worn tires, so I'm going to have to move him out of the way on the bottom. Throw it in deep. Johnson trying to come to the outside. White flag is out. We were in a photo finish with Jimmy Johnson back in Martinsville. We're about to have another one right here, possibly. And no, Johnson spins. Ends on the last lap. And Kurt Busch, we finally get our 9th win of the season and complete the Rockingham sweep. After leading probably the fewest laps all season. And running out of fuel in our burnout.
Not very many caution laps in this one.
Well, that was good news to the guys who ran out front. More cautions would just have meant more restarts, which is more chances for you to lose positions.
Kurt Busch was the car to beat all race.
I led 2
He
laps.
deserves the victory. What an incredible race for all the guys on that team.
This is Joe Moore for Barney Hall saying thanks for joining us for today's NASCAR Winston Cup race. So long. We'll see you next week at the Phoenix International Raceway.
I led 2 laps all race. What pot are you smoking? Yeah, this is the final blow for the championship. Safe to say that. Wow, that was kind of a nice finish. Kurt Busch, we win today for our 9th win of the year. Kyle Petty finishes 2nd. So there's that. Robbie Gordon finishes 3rd. Mark Martin finishes 4th. Sterling Marlin 5th. Jeff Green 6th. Johnny Benson 7th. Ricky Craven 8th. Ricky Rudd 9th. And Jeff Gordon 10th. So Shauna Robinson is the only car out of the race. And a lot of people were a lap down. 2 cautions in this race, 10 lead changes, which is complete bullshit. The race was a little over 14 and a half minutes. Tony Stewart was the last car on the lead lap. See where Jimmy ended up. 16th after being spun on the last lap. Chrissy, I only led 3 laps the entire race. Robbie Gordon led 2. Sterling Marlin. So Jimmy Spencer, Sterling Marlin, and Jimmy Johnson and we all led 3 laps. Jamie McMurray, Casey Kane, Robbie Gordon led 2. Johnny Benson led 1 lap, and everybody else didn't lead. So how is that possible? The game's trying to make these races look competitive, even though I've legitimately raped the entire field all season. So there's that. 2 races left. We're going to be going to Phoenix, which is a fun racetrack in my opinion. I like old and new Phoenix, ISM Raceway. This is the old school Phoenix, so we padded our lead to 480 points. I have this championship. There's no way Dale Jarrett's going to catch me at this point. So, awards. Apparently, I led the most laps. Jimmy Spencer won the pole. Ricky Craven passed the most cars. I had the best lap. Scott Wimmer was the best rookie, and Jeff Gordon made the best pass. So, Rookie of the Year, Jimmy Johnson, despite finishing 16th in this at Rockingham, basically has the Ray Bestis championship locked up for the Rookie of the Year. So, pole award, in terms of that, Jimmy Spencer earned his second pole. So, we still have 16 people on the list for pole winners. We have a 33-point lead over Chevrolet, and we led some laps, and yeah, there's that. So tune in tomorrow for Phoenix. I'm going to be finishing this entire Let's Play this week. So tune in for a couple day episodes, and then I will do the Budweiser shootout in the same day. Not the same episode like NASCAR 08, the same day. The same day for... So I'll be doing the finale and then wait about 7 or 8 hours, and then I'll do the Bud shootout and show up some of the extra videos you can get. Yeah. See you next time.